Wife of Malegaon blast accused, Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, has sought the intervention of President Pranab Mukherjee in her husband's case. Aparna Purohit has hit out at the government, saying her husband has been kept in jail for the last 5 years without being charge-sheeted.
Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Shrikant Purohit, one of the accused in Malegaon blast case. He is in jail for the last 5 years, despite his name not being there in the NIA charge sheet. Now, his wife, Aparna Purohit, has knocked the door of President Pranab Mukherjee. Colonel Purohit's wife met President Pranab Mukherjee on Tuesday and demanded his intervention in the case.
President being the supreme chief of the defense services, so I thought that he should be aware of what one of his person who is serving him, he is made aware of what he is going through, and he has assured me, he has given his assurance.
Hitting out at the UPA government, Aparna Purohit says that her husband is being kept behind bars because of vote bank politics.
It's been 2 years since they have taken over the case. NIA has taken over the case, but there's no charge sheet from NIA, and the case is just at a standstill. And so I just wish that they take up the case very.
The Maharashtra ATS accuses Colonel Purohit of being part of the right-wing extremist organization Abhinav Bharat. The anti-terror squad also accuses Colonel Purohit of masterminding the Malegaon blasts, which killed 7 people. It also says that Colonel Purohit provided RDX to Abhinav Bharat group, which carried out the Malegaon blasts. But the probe panel set up by the army says there is no evidence to indict Colonel Purohit and that the charges leveled against him cannot be established.
I asked for an audience with the chief also, and they were kind enough to give me an audience. And but the thing is that they really can't do anything much because there are a lot of civilians involved now.
On the other hand, the politics has also intensified on the issue. The Shiv Sena has decided to make Colonel Purohit's case an election issue. The party alleges that he is being falsely implicated by the government.
कर्नल पुरोहितांच्या कुटुंबियांसमवेत राष्ट्रपतींना भेटलेले आहेत. आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती आहे की जसं संजय दत्त हा बॉम्बस्फोटातला एक आरोपी आहे, त्याच्यावरती गुन्हा सिद्ध झालेला आहे, पण पुरोहित आणि साध्वी प्रज्ञा सिंग यांच्यावरती कोणताही गुन्हा मला वाटत नाही अजून दाखल झाला, किंबहुना केस सुरू झालेली आहे. संजय दत्तला त्यावेळेला तुरुंगवास झाला होता, तेव्हा आम्ही अशी भूमिका घेतली होती की त्याच्यावर जर काही गुन्हे असतील तर लवकर केस चालवा आणि जी काही शिक्षा असेल ती त्याला द्या.
कर्नल पुरोहित जिसने देश के लिए अपना खून बहाया, अपना पसीना बहाया, पूरी जिंदगी देश के लिए दी है, उसको सिर्फ अपनी वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए आप जिस तरह से फंसाया है एक झूठे इल्ज़ाम में, देश आपको माफ़ नहीं करेगा. कंप्लीटली फॉल्स एलिगेशन, इट्स फैब्रिकेटेड केस.
Colonel Purohit's case is not making any major headway. Many say that he was actually an infiltrator and not a conspirator who had been assigned to collect evidence and details of right-wing terror groups. Questions are being raised over the manner in which the case has been handled so far. This also underscores the need for better handling of terror-related cases. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.